This is an impressive-sized lot situated in the sought-after Jennings Land area of Smiths Parish. This traditional and quaint two-unit property is waiting for a new owner to breathe new life into it. Southbend is situated on an elevated portion of the lot and has 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with large closet space. The kitchen is lovely, and the dining area opens onto a private patio with overland views. There's also a studio cottage known as Birdsong at the foot of the property, which could be used for additional income. Contact Angela Hanwell, your Coldwell Banker real estate professional in Bermuda, for more information on this listing.